trust when I'm in Como. It's everybody show me love when I'm in Houston. I smack that ass and throw it up, I really do this. Yeah, I really do this. When I'm in LA, I do not know who I can trust when I'm in Como. It's everybody show me love when I'm in Houston. I smack that ass and throw it up, I really do this. Yeah, I really do this. I feel myself. I snack your bitch and then we get the in and out. I'm rolling switches and know what my tires burning out. Sipping and we swerving now. And my little bitch got her hands all over my Fendi belt. I know foreign sitting low. And who the fuck put all their friends in every video? I'm smoking big green every day. I call it Billy Joe. Leo DiCaprio. My wrist on Timberlow. Flow like Gyarados. Hey, I just pull up in the Bentley. Girl, it like Christina Ricci. Rolling my dope in the front seat. Smoking that gas and we never on empty. Record labels trying to tempt me. We the bitches complimentary. Now I did it again like I'm Britney. Bitch, I be ballin' like Wembley. When I'm in
Okay. It's interesting. Oh fuck, he cranked. Tesla, hey, waited, I've been spitting dope, bitch, you can pick it up. Said these label A&Rs, they used to fuck up on my nuts. Ain't signing shit, but they ain't paying what I'm due. I'm just trying to keep a rap, but I'm no one to answer to, yeah. All my life I thought that all I wanted was some clout. Turns out that I just wanted somebody to hear me out. Now I'm stuck in a car underwater and I can't get out. Screaming, what the fuck, can anybody out there hear me now? Yo, so now I got to lay my armor down. Spit some real shit, sit on the couch and blaze another house. My homies in my family, best believe that I'ma hold it down. You find us in Miami, but baby, we be rolling loud. This shit is more than punchlines, this my real life. I'm in some Polo Ralph Lauren looking real nice. I was broke as fuck, homie, you gotta realize. I kept my eyes on the prize and I made this shit mine. Oh, we smoking dope in the Civic. I make a beat, I grab a mic and then I proceed to kill it. I'm just a regular dude, more than a vibe is the truth. I got a habit to spending my cash on Polo and shoes. For the kids who go and turn their bedroom into a zoo. You know what I am and I will always be a kid just like you. Yeah, I remember feeling stuck, was all alone in my room. Always stay up. We a new school, SoundCloud and YouTube. Everybody won't confuse you. I've been trying to walk a righteous path, spark the blunt, flick the ass, turkey bag full of gas. You might see me blowing past in that Mercedes Benz, bitch. I copped it myself. I ain't got no mommy, daddy, money, ain't had no help. Fuck all that. Shit. I gotta rock the world. Keep trying to be each other. I'ma just be myself, yo.
I'm a step, he keep running till he out of breath. I kept clicking till I'm going deaf. All heads get booed to who next. Smoking on who is it, sick of the death. Trying to reach, he gets out with the tech. Get back, gang, not sit back, gang, like big deal where we don't settle for less. I should have had his mind die, he do a shot that. Should have had his weed cause he had on the vest. I'm a demon, no demons, I already people. You know I ain't proud of this scene, ain't a mess. We don't brothers, we go back to back. I told Cody and Dougie, don't sack. Think like sweet, get turned to a